You're watching how to add emojis to photos on your iPhone. Open the Photos app and select the photo you want to edit. Tap Edit in the top right corner. In the editing menu, tap the three dots or the markup icon. A pen tip. If you don't see it, tap the More button, three dots in a circle, and select Markup. This opens the markup tools. At the bottom, tap the plus icon, select Text. A text box will appear. Tap the text box, then tap the smiley face icon on the keyboard to switch to the emoji keyboard. Choose your emoji. The emoji will be inserted as text. You can resize it by pinching, move it by dragging, and rotate it by twisting with two fingers. Tap the color palette to change the emoji's color if desired. This works for the text box background, not the emoji itself. To add multiple emojis, create separate text boxes. You can also use the signature tool to draw an emoji, but using the text method is cleaner. After placing your emojis, tap Done to save the edited photo. You can choose Save as New Photo to keep the original. Alternatively, use third-party apps like Pixelage or Canva, which offer more emoji styling options. The native markup tool is quick for simple additions. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.